You can see in the paint there's little imperfections in this. This is a Tesla. (2020). This side I just buffed. Took most of them out. I'll do another one when it's finished so you can see exactly what it looks like. But look at side to side. All right, so as you know, I'm working on this Tesla Model S 2020. Had some light scratches, I believe, on the hood and tops of the fenders, even though I had low miles. And I've been working, let me show you. I've already gone through 2 wet sanding and 2 steps. And this is where we're at right now. Which is 100 times better than what it was. I still have another step of glaze. I'll get back with you to show you the rest. All right, so here's that Tesla. This is after all the stages of the buffing that I needed to do. Now I'm about to ceramic coat. Look at this. That's why I'm the ceramic god. Right there. Boom. Big Steph from Goat Ceramic. Hit us up. 470-419-1717.